All right, so after looking at this and touching a lot of the plastic on this Infiniti, I realized that this may be more common than I thought, so I'm just going to do a quick video on how to change it. So yeah, I'm going to change out this little shifter bezel deal that has like the park drive low indicators on it, because it shattered whenever they tried to pull out that overdrive clip. So this is the new part. I got an Infiniti parts deal on the interweb. So voila. Oh man, it has that whole plug there. Okay. How does that work? Oh, I see how that works. Okay, cool. So here you are. So you have this whole piece here has to come out. Voila. Oh man, you can see that nasty ring where that puppy was sitting. So I actually think I have this whole thing free, so I'm just gonna remove it all. Yeah, okay. Cool. So you see this little shifter boot housing. This goes up under there, screws in. This thing's gonna go into that from the top side. It's all gonna screw together and kind of sandwich in there. So I'll show you how to get this out real quick, and then we'll go over putting it in and taking it out. So on the center console here, you have these little trim pieces. They run down the side. You pop those off either side. There's like a bunch of screws down, Phillips screws. Take all those screws out gently. There's a shifter bezel here, so you slide that shifter bezel just goes up and like firm fits, so you just wiggle it and pop it down. The boot on the top side, you'll see has, whoop, wrong compartment. It has this little retaining clip slid into it, holding it on to the end of the shifter. So you very carefully pop that off, and then the whole thing lifts off the top. Boom, gently lift it up, unplug all your plugs that go to that thing, and then out she is. I'm telling you, this Infiniti is made of the worst plastic I've ever dealt with. Also, forgive the mess. There's shit everywhere in here right now, but I don't have time to clean. Okay, so I don't really know how to show this on camera, but I'm gonna try. So when you're dropping this in, you'll see there's 3 little clips down here on the side of the shifter bezel. That's where these little tabs on the side of this thing are gonna go. So I'll try and do it on camera real quick. But like while you use your one hand to hold it up, you just kind of drop that in place. Wham bam, done. Just like that. Now while I hold it, I'm gonna take the screws. There's 2 little screws that go to that little housing right there. All right, there we go. Completely replaced. Let's go put this puppy back in so I can see if my airbag fix worked. Ow. All right. So you slide it in behind these channels. This is where all the screws go. There's 4 on each side, so 8 total. So we'll get that screwed down. Zippity zip. Well, there you have it. New trim piece in. So if you ever need to do the override to shift it into neutral, be very careful when you pop that out, because it looks like it breaks real freaking easy, man. It like cracked it all through. So that puppy's been replaced. I still gotta put the side trims on. I just wanted to check my SRS stuff. I had a guy local clear it. I found someone around here who could finally do it, and now it's flashing, so I'm gonna go grab my scanner and see what that's about. But I mean, at this point in time, dude, I mean, it's time to finally put this freaking headliner back in. This has been a battle. To get the headliner out, you gotta take out the furthest row of seats and every piece of plastic in this entire car, it seems. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab my scanner and we'll see what's what.